Welcome back. This is our third and final step in learning how to draw using two-point perspective. We drew two boxes that overlapped the horizon line. So if we were a person in this particular scene, we would be looking directly at them. We drew two above the horizon line, so we would be looking at them from underneath. And now we're going to add a couple that are below the horizon line. So we're going to see the tops of them a little bit. And we're going to apply what we learned in the two past tutorials with the vertical line, using the two vanishing points, and then we're going to make that little swap at the end that we did with the boxes up here, but just on top instead of below. So what's our first step again? That is to just draw a vertical line wherever we want to below the horizon line down here. Not measuring, just make it as big as you want it to be. Step 2, connecting the top and the bottom to both the left and the right vanishing point using our ruler. Make sure that you see those 2 points right above your ruler so you get them lined up perfectly. Go on over here to the right side. Make sure those points are visible, connected. All right, we've got that kind of V shape there. We need to define the sides with a vertical line to the left and to the right. You decide how big those are going to be. Do one here, and I'm going to do one here. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. So we've got a corner and we've got two sides. We're going to get rid of those extra lines. And I almost redrew this just because I had so many smudgy lines on here, but I thought, we're all practicing, so we're just not going to sweat it. Didn't bump into any of my other drawings there, so nothing to worry about. Get rid of those little eraser bits. And now we're going to put a top on this box by swapping out those vanishing points. Upper left corner to the right vanishing point, upper right corner to the left vanishing point. Get those lined up. I'm bumping into one of my previous drawings, so I'm going to hop over that. Then I'm going to go here to here. And you can see where these lines intersect, that creates our other corner. So we've closed up the box. We can get rid of our extra lines that go to the vanishing point. Get those extra eraser bits. And just like the other two sections, we're going to do one more down here below. A vertical line wherever you want. Connect the top and the bottom to the left and right vanishing point. Hop over any other drawings. So, you can see that there's repetition. There's a pattern here. And by practicing this, you will get better. Now I need to go to the right vanishing point. Define the sides of my box with two vertical lines. Erase the extra lines. And when you're practicing, you're more than welcome to put your boxes exactly where I do on the paper, just so that you know that you're doing it correctly. But once you know what to do, you'll get more daring. And there's all kinds of cool things you can do with this, putting openings, putting holes inside of the boxes, stacking them up. But we just want those basics right now. And then you've probably guessed what the last step is, and that is we need to put a lid on this box. So we're going to take the left corner to the right vanishing point, the right corner to the left vanishing point. And the order does not matter. Closed it off. Get rid of the extra lines. So by the time you're done, the only lines besides the lines that define your boxes that will be left, the only line I should say, is that original horizon line. And that's it. So when you're finished with your work, you're going to submit one photo of your finished piece where you've got your 6 boxes above, on, and below the horizon line correctly using both vanishing points. And you'll submit that to the Google Classroom. Thank you so much. See you soon.